Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip how to resolve that noise the Predator generator has coming from the wheel lock. A lot of people are complaining about this ringing noise and it makes the generator really annoying. It's such a quiet working generator, but that ringing noise really does not do it any justice. I'm going to show you a quick way to resolve that problem. All you need is a screwdriver, a pair of scissors, and some of this hose. Show you exactly which hose I have. You can pick this hose up from Home Depot or Lowe's, and you don't need that much, just a little 1/8 inch thick cut. And let's go ahead and get right into this fix. I'll show you how to resolve this in a matter of minutes. Okay guys, so let's find the problem. So the issue with this Predator is that there's a locking mechanism, and this little plate right here, when you flip this up, it throws a little pin and it prevents the generator from moving. So it locks the tire. This little unlock button right here. You just pick it up, push it down, and then your wheel will. You can roll your generator. When you flip it up, it locks the wheel. But even when the wheel's locked, it makes a racket. It rattles the entire time the generator's running. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Let's go ahead and get the lock off. Okay guys, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is remove the wheel. Just get you a screwdriver, pry this out, pull out the cap, pull this pin out, remove the washer, remove the wheel, remove this locking mechanism, and remember, this faces out when you put it back, okay? This faces out. Okay, so you're gonna get just a regular plastic hose, any hose. I think this is a 1/2 inch hose, and you're gonna cut a small piece like this. You're gonna just cut you a really small, about 1/8 of an inch thick, and if you have to redo it, you can redo it. Okay. All you need is a small piece like this, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Okay, so you cut that. Now that you cut that small 1/8 of an inch thick, if you have to get it thinner, go ahead and do that. You slide it on here. So you put that in first. That little plastic, the hose. Stick this. Remember, this little part is on the outside. This portion goes on the inside. Get the washer back on. Now that's the hard part right here. You're gonna have to, if you cut it too thick, you may have to cut it smaller. And you just put your pin back on. It's that simple, guys. Put your cover back on. And now, we ran the generator before. Let's run it again and see if that noise went away. Okay guys, we got the Predator running, and as you can see, no more rattling. It is quiet. You see that? So all you have to do is, you see that little piece of plastic hose we put in there? It pinches the metal tight to the wheel now. So now when you put your lock still works. Take off the lock. Everything is still working in order, in working order. So, but no more rattling. Simple fix. No more rattling from the generator. It runs real quiet now. You can actually enjoy how quiet the Predator generator is. After you do this fix, you will actually understand how quiet it is. It is such a quiet generator. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick fix. Just a quick tip trying to show you how to prevent and how to resolve this noise from the Predator generators. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. And just a quick tip. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.